Yo, Oh, damn, I have my mic muted all this time, bro. I had said, I've been talking and stuff.
Hey, can you hear
I'm
me okay?
tripping. Yeah.
Bro. So I set up a stop by on when I seen that right before the news, right, and it hit, bro. But then I was like, oh shit, dumbass. I'm on the fucking demo account. No, Ricky. So fast forward in time, I managed to get on that little retest right here. I took profit quick. I would have been deep in profit, but it can always retrace back quick. So it I hit goal.
Nice.
Hmm.
Is this your account, the one you're on right now?
Yeah, this is the extra account, the top step.
Nice. You did that 900 right now?
Yeah, 929.
That's fire, bro.
Yeah, bro, I brought this thing back from the dust.
That's fire. I had seen the setup, bro. I knew news was coming out. I didn't want to trade news.
No, I feel you. I feel you. Right there when I seen that wick and then I seen it come back up, I'm like, oh yeah, we going back for that. Let's go. And I got in a
Yeah.
little bit late too. I got in probably like right here or so. And so I got maybe like 8:36 and I got out at like 8:55 or so.
Gotcha. Hold on. There's a way I can see your screen too while you're sharing, right? While I'm sharing.
Yeah, we can both share. Let me see.
But there's a way I can still see your screen though, right?
Yeah, yeah. So we can both share at the same time.
Uh-huh.
And when we both share, we should be able to look at the Zoom thing, and then the Zoom thing it should display both of our screens.
Okay. I don't see it, bro. I don't see it.
Are you sharing right now?
Oh yeah, yeah, I see it now. I see it. Oh, there we go. I see your screen and I see my screen. Okay, yeah. It says screen sharing. Well, yeah, you see that how I had this set up. I seen it because it had already tapped here, and then I was like, okay, so it might come back and tap again and keep going,
Right.
and it did, but too risky, bro. I feel like it was too risky. So.
Yeah. No, I get you. I get you, bro. Just like it's 80 points up right now. This thing could for sure be 80 points to the opposite way. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah,
And at times it's so fast to execute. It
yeah.
just does it too fast. I might stop trading for the rest of this week on this account, and I might start doing them the bonus.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, yes, I think I about hit go on this account. Well, not go. It's 3K, but instead of taking risks for the rest of this week,
Gotcha. Yeah.
how do you do that? What you just did, fam?
What do you mean?
Yeah, you know how you say your orders for your stop loss and your take profit were automatically like you're in a trade right now, right?
I hit demo account.
Okay, how do you did that to automatically have those numbers pulled up? Did you did is it the stop buy or hold on?
That's a market order.
Oh, it's a market order and
Yes,
automatically
it's
you
automatic.
oh you
It
have a stop
automatically.
loss there on it.
So I got my stop here. I got my entry here and here. So what I'm seeing is I just got in there for the fuck of it, bro. Like the last, it's a demo account, right? So I'm not even tripping on it. What I'm really looking for is some sweeps later because so news definitely made a good move. We took out London. I'm probably gonna I'm gonna say wait and see because we might go higher, bro.
Yeah,
I don't see a bearish day today. I
yeah,
see a bearish day tomorrow,
right,
but
right.
today I see us probably clearing out Wednesday's high and potentially going a
Wednesday,
little higher.
that was yesterday's high.
Yeah, Friday's high, and then probably up to these highs right here.
Oh, we still got that Friday, don't we?
Yeah. So hopefully we can clear that out and find a nice push to the top. Right now, my trading time doesn't come in till on 9:30. So 8:30 our time, 9:30 New York time. That's what I'm gonna find or try to look for an entry for something.
Yeah, if it came down to that little to that if you switch to the 30 minute,
Mhm.
go ahead and go to the 30 minute real quick, and you see all them wicks right there. If it goes down to on your structure, yup, maybe that'd be a little chance to get in again if we come back for some liquidity around that level, maybe a little bit lower.
So let me tell you what I see right here, bro. Look, what I could potentially tell you that from here, this is beautiful. Now, this is a beautiful move, right? So we have a big push down, right? And then we got a push back up. Then we have we have a low, a high, a higher low, and
Oh,
then we have
price
another.
action.
Yeah, on price action, we have two relative equal lows, right? We got this order block right here. So what I can expect, bro, what I can say is this. I think price can come around. Mm, I want to say this leg here. I don't know how far it's gonna reach. I don't know how far it's gonna reach. Let's say it reaches up here, right?
Oh, you think we
We can
might keep
probably
on pushing from this point?
well, no, he's gonna have a pullback. This might be the pullback right here, because we have an order block right here too, but he went above it. So also we tapped into this one here. Look, we tapped into this one right here. So we could pull up again a little bit, come back down, and then keep going up. So that's what I'm looking for. Essentially, what I want to see in the future, it's not right now, is go higher, come back down around this area here, come back down here. Wait, hold on. Around this area, and then push up. So
It's
maybe catch an entry around here.
it's actually pretty close to that spot.
Yeah. So all right, so you cleared me out. It's cool. I wasn't expecting too much of it,
Yeah,
but that's what I want to see. I don't want to see this. I want this to go green. I want this candle to go green and then potentially come back down to find an entry around here. So what I would do is I'll probably let's say put my fib from here, wait for candle to go from here, and essentially find an entry here somewhere. You know, to
yeah,
go clear out Friday's high or these areas here. But is it gonna push all the way up? I don't know. But yeah, something like that. Now I'm not gonna stay stuck on that actually happening, you know? I'm not gonna stay stuck on that actually happening. I'm gonna just follow price action and see what happens. Like the little demo or trade that I took right now. That was definitely not even it was
morning,
what
Lou.
Good morning, y'all. My service is trash. I can't even hear anything. I know PPI just came out. How we looking?
We hit a bounce.
Sergio hit gold. He's good.
Let's go.
The SL4, SL5, and
Let's go.
All right, so yeah, look, this is retracement here.
Oh, plug your fibs.
There's a retracement here. And it does look like it might come towards the 50% of that gap here. Tap
I
into
can't.
it and potentially keep going up.
Did we take out London lows?
Yeah, no, not yet.
Okay.
No, not yet, not yet.
Did we take out London highs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we swell highs.
Okay.
Honestly, today I don't expect it to take out London's low. I don't think so. We could, but I don't know. Depends, I guess, news. We just had PPI, and then I guess when Trump speaks later down.
Yo,
Employment.
question for you, bro. Yeah, you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
medical center.
Is there a reason why you still trade? Is there a reason why you still trade the CFD contract as opposed to this NQ? Because the market moves the same, but the pricing is a little different.
Right, right. All right, so here on hold on one second, y'all.
Hey, Lou.
Sorry, y'all. Oh, what I was saying is the reason I trade or I look at this chart, I know the prices are different. But it's because if I go to the
My fault. I just lost. I was in a tunnel.
if I go to the minis, bro, right here, like I don't pay for that. So I have the delay here. You see that D right here? That's a delay.
Oh,
So it gives me a delay on what's actually happening. So that's why I don't look at that. Or if I want to look at the minis, I'm gonna look at it on my
now.
top step, you know? So,
Okay.
so
Because you don't have any accounts logged in on trading. Gotcha.
right. So
Makes sense. Makes sense.
yeah, because I have the top step.
Top step X.
Yeah. So it does that one doesn't allow you to go on Trading View.
Gotcha. Because they
You
want you to
know.
use they want you to use their platform because there's no commissions also.
Right.
Right.
So I know the price is different, but essentially it's the same chart, just a different
Same
pricing.
chart. Yep, that's a
Yeah.
fact. Yep. Okay, makes sense.
It literally does the same. It does the same thing. It's just the way the candles open is just a little bit different.
The destination of this train is Forest Hill.
Yep, makes sense.
Man, Instagram thought I was a bot.
You was straight. You were following accounts hardcore.
Yeah,
Yeah, I saw that.
I started following accounts, and they thought I was using some software to follow people.
Right.
Mhm.
That's never happened to me before.
Yeah,
So
because when you start following,
mhm.
it might think you're a bot. And I think another thing that triggered it was too is my location. But I send them
Oh,
a I
because
send
we're
them
in
a
three different
ticket.
locations. Yeah.
Yeah, so I send them a ticket. I was like, hey, I got restricted. If you send them a ticket, I was reading that they should unlock your account and they should like uh, give you a higher amount of people that you can follow or something like that. And
Yeah.
if we come across that issue again, we will just submit another ticket.
Okay. Yeah,
Mm.
that makes sense. Yep.
But once we get that account going, man, we'll follow every soul on this earth.
Hmm.
I know.
Okay. Finally, I can hear. Finally, outside. I was on the train earlier. But, yeah.
Looks like we're wanting to pull back. What do you think? We'll go for that London low or visit that demand.
All right, so what I'm looking at right now is if we because we had a retest, boom, boom. So we definitely want to go up. Right now we're just kind of gaining momentum. I feel like right now when market opens, we're gonna sweep these lows, tap into the 50, and then from there fly up to like right here. Thursday high. Anything is possible though. I feel like we're gaining momentum because we came to the downside just below this area here. Push
Switch
back up.
switch your chart to the 5 minute real quick.
5 minutes. Let's see. You see, we got lows right here. I feel like we tap into that 50. If we can't break below the 50, because you shouldn't go below this 50. If he goes below this 50, then nah, then we're heading down for sure.
You
But
see that gap right there, right at right at the beginning of the move. No, next, right there, below that one, before that one.
mhm.
Yeah. If you can take a peek at my screen real quick, take a quick peek, because mine even shows it like empty.
No, that's not a gap, bro. The wicks are overlapping, so that really is not a gap. Your wicks are overlapping on those. You got the big candle wick coming down, and then let's say this candle is up to like right here, right? But its wick is closing it up. They're closed. They're definitely closed. We're
So
looking at the inefficiency is in the body of the candle where the noose hit. That's that big gap right there. That's what you want to take a look at.
so you think we'll grab some liquidity around 853 and possibly have a bounce from there?
Well, from the 50% of the gap, which is if you look at my screen, I
Oh, I
already
see, I
got
see.
it. You know what I'm saying? That's what I think. Cause we're
Yeah,
like price
encroaching.
looks like it wants to go up, bro. But like today, I'm telling you, I don't see us coming down here today. I don't know why. I just don't see it.
Yeah,
We
I
already
think
had
that
the push up.
I think there's a possibility where we might retest. We might come down and retest like 820, 826, 830 somewhere for liquidity. Oh,
Okay.
and in your chart, it should be at the beginning of the right of the where you're, yeah, no, higher, yeah, right there. Should be around there, maybe a little bit lower, slightly lower, but yeah, you're on the money right there. I think we might. There's a chance we might retest that level.
Okay. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, I feel like there is a slim chance that we might do that. And then again,
Gotcha.
but I do see that scenario happening as well. And if we break below 21,808, um, that's a little bit below that structure where we had that consolidated. Then we might go for the low 10 minutes too. Do we have any other news today? Let me check real quick. just Trump speaking at noon our time.
February 5th it expires.
Cool. Yeah, but I don't see no other possible scenario, bro. For sure. Um, Maybe we could go lower than this. Who knows? I definitely just see like sweeps. We can come sweep that aerial. Or maybe we can come down here. Who knows?
3 minutes to market open.
Yeah, we're close by. We're close by. Let's see what happens.
Hey yo, so I was on that Top Step page on Facebook, and then I seen my homeboy like something, and I was like, "What is my homeboy doing over here?" And then
Mm,
I seen him like commenting and other things. I'm like, "What?" And I'm like, "Bro, I didn't know you trade." So I guess he been doing it for a hot minute.
yeah. Okay.
Hey, that's tight, bro.
Yeah, that's nice, bro.
And I'm like, shit, you should have said something. Added to the group right away.
Yeah, I seen you added somebody yesterday. That's what's up, bro.
Yeah, I met him in Virginia. I work with him.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that's back when I was in the pipeline.
Okay.
1 minute.
Order filled.
See, yo.
You in your position?
I set up my position. Um, but I need to tap in. Once I tap in, I'll be good. Um,
There we go. Ding ding ding.
so we're open. Boom. Come on, man. Melt. You know you want to melt. And then he goes up. Flying high.
For real. Flying is good too.
Order filled.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Let's go. But I need to get into that in the habit of trailing.
Yeah.
I think this is what I'll be practicing for the next month. Well, from this point on, trailing, trailing, trailing.
Yeah. Definitely. Yeah.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab my coffee real quick.
Order filled. Order filled.
Morning, y'all.
They said he didn't need a liquidity today. We got momentum on our side. Yep. No bearish movement today, boys. Tomorrow we're gonna correct. We're gonna correct the market. Probably be bearish tomorrow. Let's look for a beautiful entry. Hey, Nani.
Morning, Doug.
Hello. How you doing?
Let's get it.
Could we respect this FVG here? Probably not. Oh, damn it. I did 50. And then we're going for, I did this one. This gotta just be a pullback, bro. Can't be a reversal.
We're gonna retest market open.
You think so?
Yeah. There we go. Tapped it. We'll see if it holds.
I doubt it, bro.
You think we might go a little bit lower? News.
Yeah, we might just drop completely from here, bro.
Mm.
Damn, that's way low. That's definitely reversal, bro.
Yeah. NASDAQ doing NASDAQ things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Facts,
All right.
bro. Facts.
Not even go.
Like, oh, look at this point of interest here. This open price. Nah, we don't care about that. Goodbye. See ya.
Whoa.
Oh, look. We're almost at that point now.
It's expecting something. Yeah. It's like I might respect this area. I'm not sure.
That's the zone I was eyeing earlier. Well,
Yeah, you're right.
probably like 3 or 4 points down from that low.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Where's Lou? Where that boy Lou at? We need your
Well,
input, Lou. What's the deal?
wellness check.
Wellness.
Try to sneak in a buy here.
Ooh, you see
See it
that bounce?
nice.
It didn't touch the area I wanted though, but man, that's a nice bounce. 23 points. Yeah, that's a move right there.
It's creeping me out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I say just chill. Just chill. Wait for some solid and concrete because right now we're sitting in that gap that you were talking about earlier. Reasonable place to mess around, but I'm expecting it to go a little higher. We built a fair value in here. It's a breaker block. Let me see. Oh, all right. What's the risk here? Let's see. That's a 50. If we can reach out to 50% of that around here, I'll get in for a sell. If not, prices might just drop, dropping completely. But
That was a nice push. You still in it, Duck?
No, I stopped out of that one.
Hmm.
I mean, I stopped in positive, but it was just a little guy, a little scalp.
Hey, man.
I mean, it's hard to say what it's going to do. We might just mess around here for a little while, but it could just run back up too.
For sure. Like you said, doing NASDAQ things.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, you got all wick, no candle here.
Yeah. Man, I was hoping
120.
to. I was hoping for
Oh,
it
there
to.
it goes.
Yeah, I was hoping for it to get lowered for me to take a position, and I missed that plane. Oh yeah, it's like 40 points up now.
Yeah.
45.
Just hop back in.
Don't F me, man. Don't F me.
Oh, you going back
Don't
though?
F me. Let's go. Come on. Let's drop. Please, come on. Let's do this. Let's roll. Let's go. Go, gadget. Oh, yeah. It's going to do its NASDAQ thing.
Man,
Should be good to drop from here, man. Come on. No. No. Reverse. Reverse. What are you doing?
Yeah, I think it's going up.
You better go back down right now.
dear God.
Well, yeah, dear diary. The NASDAQ has been playing with me all morning. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna stay off trading. No, this is just a demo, bro. I'm not tripping. I already took my profit on the other on my
Man,
account.
I ain't taking no L's this week. So
Yeah,
tomorrow
that's
I'm gonna
ooh.
trade a different account. It just be like that, bro. That it
Mhm.
just takes that one day. You feel me?
Yeah,
Or sometimes, let's say you had two wins, one loss, and then that next win or loss can really determine if you're close to breaking even or actually ended up in good profit.
yeah, you're right, bro. Well, I think it's your mental throughout the week.
Oh, facts.
Your mental throughout the week, what you got going on, and like, oh no, I feel like
It is an odds game.
yeah, this week I think has been pretty good. I did expect it a little bit worse because of all the news.
Yeah, bro.
So I'm not necessarily like upset or anything. I'm actually pretty happy because
I don't
um
know how I would have reacted to yesterday. I think this is crazy, but I think that was the gods making me fall asleep and turning off my alarm on purpose.
probably
Because, bro, I don't know. I think I would have done something silly with all those news yesterday.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they had you on
Yeah,
part-time
most
hours yesterday,
definitely, bro.
Serge.
What was that?
They had you on part-time hours yesterday.
They sure did. They sure did. That was like a miracle right there. Bro, I don't know why my alarms got turned off and they didn't go off yesterday. And I fell
Ooh,
asleep.
there's a dump.
I woke up, y'all was in live. I'm like, oh, Jesus. Bro, that was a miracle for sure.
Yeah, I closed that buy at 9:05.
Ooh, nice. Oh, you caught the top. Oh,
Yeah, for now.
bro, that's
There's
beautiful.
No way I would have held through that. That would have taken me out for sure. That drop.
You see how crazy it is? It didn't use the first value, the first gap. It used the second one. Well, really, essentially, the first one that was created, and then it dropped. That's fucked up, dude.
Yeah. Hey, that
That's
exit
pretty
was
fucked.
cool though.
Yeah.
Bro, he caught the very, very, very top of that of that move.
It's just lucky. I saw green and hit stop.
Oh, nice. You can call it lucky, but at the same time, that was your instinct, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's edge in the market. That's the edge.
As
And
long
you
as
know
I,
what,
oh, go ahead.
bro? You know what I'm just realizing?
Hmm.
Oh my goodness, bro! This is ridiculous, bro. Look how your eyesight is so crazy at a time. Look, watch this. We were talking about we'll get in if this shit tapped in, right? Look where he tapped in, bro. I said, wait, if it taps in to 50%, I'm coming in, right?
Yeah,
Look at this, fucking ridiculous. It's all about being patient, bro.
yeah,
It's gonna keep going high, bro.
yeah. Because I was hoping for a little bit lower, bro. But yeah, that's definitely the area that we were eyeing.
Bro, bro, bro. I'm buying,
Order
bro.
filled.
Where's Michael at today?
This is crazy.
Order filled.
Essentially, that's what it was. Is it taps in here? That's that push right there. And then he came back down. Probably gonna make that W and then keep going higher. It just
Yeah,
makes sense, bro. It just
Order
makes sense.
filled.
one thing for a fact right now. We're definitely bullish.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
bullish, bro. We're
Hmm.
bullish for sure.
Just trying to get
Oh,
the bottom of those retraces.
We're fixing to close in 10 minutes for the hourly. So there's a chance that from this point we go and retest that the market open
mhm.
right at the news, not market open, right at the news, the body of the candle of those news, or we go and finish filling that wick for in the next 9 minutes. And you can see the wick on the 30 minute.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna just let this one simmer until
Mm-hmm.
10.
Yeah, I feel like this one's a flip of a coin right now.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
Or we can push down, end up at like 837, and then fill that wick on the next candle.
Man, I had a buy too. It just wasn't looking good.
It's a choppy buy, bro. It's just you
Yeah.
gotta look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute looks beautiful, but essentially that's what I was telling Sergio. I said, Sergio, look, you see that gap. You hit that 50%, but you know how I started going bullets once market open?
hmm
We had to wait for that pullback.
Yeah,
So it is a
we shot
pullback.
straight up. Yeah.
It is a pullback. We just had a little consolidation. I was like, nah, that's a reversal. Nah. Once you look at it in the bigger time frame, you're like, oh, this is what it is. So now I'm a little more confident now on it because I'm okay. I was looking at it a little wrong, but we're good. We're good. We're good. It's a buy. It's a buy. It's a buy. And if it comes back down, then I don't know.
Yeah. I'll just wait till we see 10 o'clock. And so far, I've been okay. I had one mistake today, but we've been scalping and getting some wins.
Hey, let's go. Yeah, I gave a position to the demo this morning. Oh, bro, I was punching it myself in the face.
A really good one.
Yeah, the whole market news.
I seen that in the morning, huh? Well, I didn't see it, but I saw it, but I didn't see it because it was too fast.
Yeah,
And then you
it
were like, you
happened
were
fast.
up.
Mm-hmm.
I like, yeah, that's what's up, bro.
Yeah, I was afraid enter, so I could close the position. But I'm like, oh no, it's at the practice, freaky. Hey, I got a second chance on that one though, cause I seen it come back down and retest. I'm like, oh, this is my chance. You I don't know if you ever played GTA, like where there's GTA 4 and GTA 5, but there's these
What?
little side missions where you gotta jump off the of a plane with a parachute and you gotta land on this little circle. Bro, trading is a lot like that.
Oh, yeah. There we go. We're flying slowly but surely. There we go. Come on. Let's get it.
4 minutes.
For what? For
Hourly close.
let's go. Come on. You keep going now. You keep pushing now. Keep going. Don't stop. Man, you see, this is another proof. It's a slap in the face to me, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
What's that?
This, what we're just talking about.
Yeah.
When I said, bro, I said, you asked me, right? You're like, well, where do you think it's gonna go?
Mm-hmm.
And you say it might come down here because this candle was down here.
Yeah.
You had the wick, and I was like, no, like this is the gap here. If he doesn't, it needs to come down 50%, and I'm in, right? That was my position. But guess
Yeah.
what? I got carried away. I allowed missing out on this push here to get in the way, right?
Yeah.
What market did, bro? Market came down straight to that damn 50% line. Then it started pushing back up.
Yeah. It,
Ridiculous, bro.
it was actually close to my entry too. Well,
It
it was
yeah, definitely
it was 3 points away from my entry.
to where you were saying, right?
Yeah,
But
3 points. And
you
that
see how he tapped that 50, bro? Like yeah, he went below 50, but he tapped that 50. Look at that risk management, bro. Look at that risk. If I would have waited for what it's supposed to be, man, what happened, bro? I don't even know. Not even gonna lie. This is just fucking pissed me off
hey
today.
Mike.
Double Mike.
Mikey.
Yeah, bro. I was in longs at 891 and I didn't hold like of a J.
891.
30, I'd be up 30 points right now.
Oh, nice, nice.
Let's
Oh,
go.
But I closed it for $5.
Never close. Always stay open.
Oh man. No, I didn't like this little wiki action we were doing at this 895 level. When we filled the inbounds, we were just whipping back and forth. I didn't like it.
Never close.
What had me shook is this candle, this opening 5-minute candle that dumped down.
Let's go for break even. $48.
it's been a good day for sure. We all green. Let's go.
Yeah, that's the good part, man.
Mm-hmm.
That's the good thing right there. Other than that, I can't believe I didn't wait for that move, bro.
Hey, that
I'm
was
mad at
close
myself
though.
right now. Nah, it just shows you, bro, that your mental is right. You just gotta trust it.
Yeah.
And I fucked up and I didn't
Look,
trust it, bro.
look, look at it in a minute and see that bottom candle and see how it waked up. So
Yeah.
in this scenario, if you would have tried to catch it, I mean, yeah, you could have catched it, but by the time you were like, oh, okay, this is what's happening, it would have been you would have executed a little bit higher. You feel me?
But
Or
this is what fucked me up. All
yeah,
this, because I was like, from here, I said, look, I told you when we had made these two, I said, we're gonna have to, around open, we're gonna come and sweep and then go up. But
mm-hmm,
he did the opposite. He swept highs, came up, swept the damn Asian high, then came back down to tap into the gap 50% and then go back up. That's crazy. It's good, but it's crazy. It's like,
yeah,
come on, man. What's going on? And it's just this consolidation was what fucked me up because once market opened, it just started pushing higher. And I was like, wait, I got mental fuck, I allowed that to just that push, I allowed it to like I was like, oh, I'm gonna miss out on that shit. So I hopped in, I profited on that, but essentially what my move was, I had already set it up, remember? And then I erased it because I was like, oh, price is going up. Let me just go with it instead of allowing market to come back down because that's what it was supposed to do. That sucks. Well, I thought we control this today. This one, I took major, not major, but small losses on this demo. So let's pick it back up. Yeah, nighttime, what I do is I go back and I look for the day, like what happened throughout the day. So I start looking at the time and price. I look at time and price. What happened at this time? What happened at this time? What happened at that time? Like go by the minutes, by 5 minutes and stuff. They drop to 3 or 1 minute time frame and just try to picture everything nicely. It's already painted for you, but like, oh, this is what it was. Oh, this is what happened.
I don't know. I don't even know what I marked right there. I know I marked that earlier, but
Look at that, bro. Whoa.
Whoa.
That's beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah,
Now
we
we
got
could
news.
move stops up.
10:02. We ain't had no news.
We don't need news today. I don't know what's going on. Nasdaq is just crazy.
Psychopath.
Yeah. Up 1,000. Can we make it to 2K? Nah, we can't make it to 2K.
I'm not complaining.
I got the same. I got a 966 level. That's your high.
Right now we just cleared out last Friday's high again. We might go for previous Friday.
Let's see if that's a weekly.
Yeah. That is crazy. Hey, you got this on live right now?
Yeah, we live on the tubes.
My dog.
We might finally fill this gap. This 4-hour imbalance. I mean,
Yeah.
Tap. Let's see. Another one. Another one. Shouldn't go below this. Another one. Oh, it is gonna go below that. Oh no. That stopped me.
oh, I don't like that. I like that stop though. I drag it a little lower, just right under that little swing low. 2 candles back. Yeah, like right there. Yeah, because it might try to sweep that low and continue.
It's gonna come back down. It's gonna come back down.
Yo, surge mine almost fucked up last night.
What?
I passed an account but haven't
I'll
activated it
take
yet.
that 7.
Uh-huh.
So I've been trading the other ones, and I didn't change my group last night on TradeAway. So when I traded the one that passed. Yo, I didn't realize it. I was down 250 on the account that I'd already passed. I was like, no.
So you gotta repass it again.
It's funny because with Apex, even if you sign your agreement, you can still trade the account. It doesn't lock it.
Yeah.
Doesn't do anything until you pay for it. I pass a few and then I'll pay for them.
So
I was like, yo, I had to wait like an hour for that thing to crawl back up last night on that little push.
So wait, how does that work? Like, all right, so Apex, you pass the challenge, right?
Yeah, you have to sign. They'll send you a link to sign your contract.
Then you sign your contract.
Then
you gotta pay for activation.
Yeah, so you sign your contract, and then you have to click a different link to pay your activation. But for them, there's no time frame on your activation. You can pay it whenever you have the money.
Okay.
So if you don't check your account, you may trade the one you already passed.
So
then when you go to if you don't realize it, and now you're under your profit target, when you go to pay, it won't happen. Like if I would have forgotten it and it cleared today, it would have said that I was drawn down, and Apex would have. I don't know if the contract would have got taken away or what would have happened, but yeah, you gotta watch that shit.
How much you gotta hit on a 25K to get a payout on Apex?
Let's see. The minimum is 500. You gotta be up 1,600 for your cushion. So you gotta make 2,100 to get a $500 payout.
Bet.
I like it. I just like that it's a 1-for-1. You know.
Yeah. Hey, I fuck with those 25Ks. I get them on bonus.
Easy. Damn, I was in sales too. No.
Look at that. Your boy just capitalized on that.
I had a good stop, my boy. You see how we barely closed above that candle, that market high? We equal high wicks.
Yeah.
I ain't like that. Let's see. We grabbed some liquidity.
And Nasdaq's a natural disaster today.
We're gonna push back up to 920.
No, Nasdaq's just been crazy lately. Well, actually, yes and no. Yes and no, but if you look at
It's just this is what Nasdaq does though.
Yeah.
It's a mover. We are not used to doing this because of
You see,
previous markets presidency, but this is how it be if you go look
we ranging in
moves like
between
this.
this area, this big, this,
Uh-huh.
you know, we're just ranging in the area up and down, up and down, up and down.
This is the moves that
I was
Nasdaq
about to
used to
hit you
have.
up last night to see, bro. Look at Asian. It's being normal again.
Asia ain't doing nothing. That means Nasdaq's gonna go crazy. You know, New York's gonna go crazy. Plus, Elon, I think
Bro.
Tesla's big red too.
Yeah, I know. They're bringing that stock market down here to Texas, right? Where
Oh
they're
yeah,
making another
Dallas.
one. Yeah,
I don't know about that.
yeah.
I think
Tesla's
it'll be
moving, boy.
I think it'll be just as big as the NY. Well, maybe not as big, but I think it'll have some. There'll definitely be some liquidity in there.
Well, they said that it might be
Well, you know how it's like
competition.
the New York Stock Exchange. I
Yeah,
mean, Texas is like if you were to compare it to countries, they can compare it to other countries as far as like economy goes. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
right. Well,
So
that's what they were saying, that it might be a competitor to New York stock.
hmm
Damn,
Like,
Tesla was down.
you know,
They said Elon's net worth was down 20 billion.
ooh,
for what?
You know how you know they're gangster? You see that video of Elon's kid in the White House picking his nose?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but shit. Trump's like, yeah, whatever. Nah, but no, Tesla and them have been dumping for like a month. It was 435, dumped all the way down to 320.
I heard someone was saying that Tesla's been even more volatile than the NAS itself.
Just been dumping, yeah.
I don't even know, bro. I don't really look at stocks like that. Only the futures.
Yeah, but there's some stocks that kind of help NASDAQ move. Like Nvidia, Tesla. If Apple's having a big volume day, it'll carry the market. It'll make it move.
Yeah.
See, oh,
Isn't there
Tesla.
like four stocks that
Whoa,
make up
bro.
the most
Uh-huh.
liquidity in the NAS?
Oh
And
yeah,
that's
Tesla's been
Microsoft, Nvidia.
dropping.
Tesla been dumping.
That's wild.
hmm
It had major dumps before. It had major dumps way before, but I guess it's going through what it's going through.
Yeah, it's gonna have its pullback. I mean, it was all-time highs again, I believe.
Yeah. But yeah, those are some nice hits, bro, right there. Look at that.
Imagine those contracts.
It's crazy.
Those contracts would have been nice.
What's TXY looking like? Oh. Oh yeah.
Yeah, the dollar been wilding too. You would have think the dollar been pushing with these tariffs.
It pushed when Wednesday on 12.
Yeah, we
It
had the
went
news.
high, swept a high, and then started dumping from there. But
I think once people start understanding how tariffs actually work, well, it'll help regain on the market. Because if y'all notice, everything he put tariffs against, Mexico, Canada, all their currency versus our dollar dumped.
mm,
If you look
let's
like
see.
the USD to the peso, peso was dumping. It'll be
Let's see.
peso USD and CAD or CAD dollar. MXN USD. And look at the big time frame for like the other day when they announced the tariffs.
Let's see.
See the dump over there.
Yeah.
Put on
Every
the
time they announced it.
daily or 4 hour.
Oh god, it's an ugly chart. Look at that shit. The pesos have been dumping
Yeah.
last year.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That right there was the tariff.
Yeah,
That last
that right there.
This right here. That's crazy.
back to 920. We're back to highs,
the
bro.
the futures contract
Ooh.
on the peso is called 6M1.
The futures.
Yeah, so search the and go to 6M1. That's the futures contract for the peso.
My man has it as powerful pairs. I like that.
Um,
Switch over to futures. You're on funds.
Okay, here we
here
go.
we go.
My man has it as
I got a
powerful.
delay on there, but yeah. Oh, that's crazy.
Because you gotta log if you log in with one of your TraderBit accounts,
Yeah, you don't
it'll
have
update everything.
it'll update, but I have Top Step X. I don't have the trailer.
I think this might be a tradable symbol on Top Step as well.
It might be what?
A tradable symbol on Top Step.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Where I look for? Here we go. 6 what, bro? 6
6M.
Oh, they have the names on them on the side too.
Yeah, it's called 6M.
6 Mexican peso.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah. One thing you don't show me is the damn okay. 6 MH. No, there we go. Oh yeah, I see it. It looks nice here. It's been ranging. I mean, he does have his dumps, yeah. Also has his
We're
pulls.
creating that new 4-hour wick. We gotta create that new 4-hour wick candle. We created our wick, and now we're gonna push. I think we have a slow grind today. I think we're just gonna see these candles that we've had since like 10 o'clock. These 1 minute candles, and the whole bigger time frame will look like that.
Yeah, it looks like it's time to die down a little bit.
Yeah, but it's gonna have those slow climb candles all the way up, like we had it yesterday. Those candles were a little bigger, but
I was telling Lulu I think it was 2 days ago. There was a day where we had some it pushed up, but it just kept having like these like 20-point pullbacks. That was almost impossible to trade. You feel me?
Yeah.
I feel like that was yesterday.
Was it yesterday?
Yeah, we pushed up. We pushed up to from like 591 to 767 and dropped all the way back down to 640.
Could have been
Pushed up
yesterday.
and pulled back and pushed up and pulled back.
Yeah,
They're the whipsaw candles.
it could have been yesterday. Lou, what up?
You're late to the party, my boy.
My boy Lou.
Wellness check. Wellness.
Yo, what's going on?
What it do?
All right, new hot
Y'all
incoming.
can hear me?
Yo, yeah.
Hold on. I can't even hear y'all. Y'all can hear me?
Yeah.
Hey, let's
Hold
go.
Yeah, what's going on? I haven't been home since like 8 o'clock. I was on the train. I'm at the, I had an appointment, but there was something happened with my insurance, so some shit got fucked up, but I'm good now.
You're good. We were doing a wellness check earlier.
You said what?
I said we were running a wellness check on you.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm not even I'm literally not. Hold on, I'm on video. Y'all can probably see me.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
not
you're
even.
out there.
Yeah, I'm literally not. I haven't been home. I was on the train earlier and then went to my appointment. And they said something was wrong with my insurance. So
oh shit.
yeah, I haven't taken one train. Hold on, let me mute. This is loud as hell.
If you was paying cash, they wouldn't have said nothing was wrong.
Right.
True. Yeah,
My
over
premium
that.
is high as hell. So
They would have said,
I'm
no,
like, what?
your dollar's fine. No, your
Yeah,
dollar's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah,
yeah, come on, your dollar. We'll take your dollar, sir.
yeah.
Hey,
Y'all
Yeah.
seen that South
insurance?
Park
Oh, it's fucked up.
navigating the health system?
Oh my god. Yeah, I saw that shit. That shit's mad funny and accurate.
Imagine you shorted healthcare stocks just to pay for your insurance.
Wow.
Oh,
You just play contracts on United Healthcare just to,
right.
to pay
Oh,
your
damn.
insurance. Oh, you don't want to prove it? Cool, I'm gonna short your stock right now.
Right. UNH is the worst.
Oh yeah.
Oh god. Oh, yeah. Ah. Now I gotta go back. But I should be. Hopefully, when I come back to the house, I can get a couple trades in there or something. But I'm cool with not. I'm cool with not taking trades for one day. So many days in the year, so it ain't nothing. I used to get FOMO, but
It was a good day for sure.
oh,
All I know is that we pumping, bro. We pumping.
Who called 22K yesterday? Didn't somebody call 22,000?
Yeah, I think that was either Jazz or Auntie.
Somebody said we were going back to 22,000. Whole psych level.
Yeah, I think that was Auntie actually. Was that Auntie? Yeah, I think that was Auntie.
See if we can get 22K.
You seen the balls pattern?
Yeah, bro. And now we're going.
The field.
We're on soft. Now we're going on hard.
Let's go. I'll take that right there.
Yeah.
No, not the balls. The play.
Oh.
Not the balls pattern. Listen, you'd be surprised, bro. I just sold. I went long 2 at 953. Just 2 micros. I love. If you ever notice, y'all ever notice when y'all have smaller plays, for some reason that play goes dumb. But if you're heavy on a play that you're confident about, you get smoked.
So I'm gonna start doing some Apex accounts maybe. So on your PAs, you personally on your 25Ks, what do you have as your threshold for your daily, your personal threshold?
It's more of a mental.
Mm-hmm.
I try not to go 200, 250.
250.
It depends on how heavy I went, I guess. If I go heavy and I get smoked real fast,
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna walk away. But if it was like a small play that I kind of just let ride and I took a big loss on it, I might try. I might go for another trade, but not immediately.
So you might go for like your best days would be like 500.
My best days I don't do over 300 because for the first 6 payouts it can't be more than 2,000 per account. So when you do like a 30% of that, I think it was like almost 400 a day or something like that.
Yeah.
What was it again? I forget the numbers. I have it written down.
400.
Yeah, so because of like sometimes you get fill, if you get a big crazy candle, your fill might be different.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, it's 30%. So my biggest day, 600. So my biggest day can't be 600, but I'm not going for 600 on the 25K account.
Yeah. So you try to keep it around.
So yeah, it was 300. I try to stay at like 300.
300 bad.
Yeah, because it's 8 days. You have to have at least 8 trading days. So, oh, my Apex. Oh, they log out onto you, by the way. They'll kick you out for some weird reason. Like my TradeAway just logged out for no reason.
Mine did that earlier too. But
Yeah,
I'm with
especially if you're on
Top Step.
if you're on Trading View, that should just log you out in the middle
Yeah,
of a play all the time.
it sucks when you're in a trade. What happened? Did I blow the account?
You're trying to log back in real fast. Yeah, but yeah, if your biggest withdrawal is 2,000, my biggest day is 300 because that's 2,400. Every 8 days.
Yeah.
That for me, if I'm only going to trade 2 to 5 micros, I mean that's a big move to
It,
hold on to.
it does sound easier to, just run them up. Lose one, fuck it,
Yeah,
move on. Run it up, run it up.
yeah. Remember, it's only 8 green trading days. It's not. It's no longer a payout period.
Yeah.
So if you have 8 days in a full month, you're Gucci.
Yeah, I think it's time to go hard. Well, I have my Top Step, but I'm gonna just trade some Ninja Trader on the side. The problem with that is
Yeah.
that that program runs a lot of memory in your computer if you have it open.
Well, that's why my laptop is dedicated to trading. I don't have nothing else on this.
Man,
TradeAway, Ninja Trader, and internet. That's it. That's all I got on here.
I got a laptop for trading, and this thing can't even. I can't even download it because something about the memory or some stuff. I can't. I don't even.
Time to upgrade, my boy.
Bro, look at that high, bro.
Uh-huh.
All right, gents. I'm done for the day. You guys have a good one. See you tomorrow.
Hey, let's go, fam. Hey,
How'd you do?
I'm good. I hit target, so
Amen.
satisfied.
That's what it is.
Absolutely. All right. Good luck, y'all.
I would.
Tomorrow.
That's what I like. That's what I like to hear. We hit target and walk away.
All the target.
Today's a good day, and it's been a good week. We all green.
Good week, y'all. Good week.
I got $30 till target, so. But yeah, what's crazy? Sure, trading those 25K accounts, you learn scaling, like downsize your positions. You know what I mean? Like you don't have that move, that wiggle room anymore, like you used to on 50Ks.
Yeah.
So you learn literally to take your profit quickly.
It also helps you like to do it at a faster pace, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Because you just gotta secure. You gotta make sure you secure, and you gotta make sure you don't exceed that, and you gotta work with what you got.
Yeah, like on that play that whoever's paper trading, who's that? Sorry, that's paper trading on the live.
That's Martin.
Oh, Martin, like see how he was up like a grand?
Yeah.
Bro, on an Apex, you see how you close at it, like what was it, like 700 or something like that, or 500?
Yeah. Right.
Yo, you lost that 500 from your total. From the top was like, you were like 500 down from your high, right? Even though you closed green, Apex will say that's still drawdown.
Yeah.
So now you're positive 500 on the day, but now you're minus 500 on your drawdown.
Why?
It's crazy because they don't want you to hold. They want you to scalp. Apex wants you to scalp.
That's their rule.
Wait, hold on.
Until you get over your threshold, that shit moves with you.
That's your daily drawdown. So let's say that if they'll measure it from your top. So
your top P&L.
You see
unrealized gains.
That $300 difference or $400 difference that you had, they'll count that against you.
What?
Yeah. So in their eyes, you're for your because it's a trailing drawdown.
Yeah, it's unrealized gains trailing drawdown. So say you're up 2,000 and you let it come back down to 1,000. You even though you're 1,000 on the day, you now have negative 1,000 drawdown, and you can only have 1,500 on a 20K, 25K, and 2,500 on a 50K.
So how the hell are you supposed to pass it?
That's why I said the other day, if you can pass Apex, you can pass anything.
That's
crazy. Like your drawdown can't be 30% on a PA. They won't approve you if you're like you're minus 30% on a PA. You won't get approved for payouts, even if you went green. You can't average down, but you can average up. The Apex rules are fucking wild. That's why I do my 50 to $100 a day. Can't say nothing.
And they don't count that against you?
Nah, $50 is considered a green day. If I go light with one or two contracts, I can't be 30% because 30% of your P
Oh,
and
I
L.
got you. Okay, so
So
as long as you don't be 30%.
yeah, like I can't go down 30% on a trade on my overall P and L and
Yeah.
average down. Even if it comes back to green, I'll be green, but they won't approve your payout.
But the cool thing is that you can use a trade copier, and if you keep it like you keep it safe, like $50, 100
Yeah,
bucks,
they won't notice it.
and you can copy 20 accounts.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're the only ones that let you have 20 accounts.
because there's a lot of people that they'll get all these paid accounts, and
Yeah.
they'll try to get like a giant payout, like 25K, 17K, 30K.
They'll get denied. I've seen people up, crazy on their accounts, and they'll
Hmm.
still deny them.
Yeah, it's definitely getting a little bit tougher. It seems like it, every time they make an update, just stricter rules, stricter rules.
Mm-hmm. Now my boy made 1,800 yesterday and requested his payout, denied.
Damn. What was their reasoning?
His biggest day was over 40% of his
Oh
P and
shit.
L. That's why they said they have that rule. Like your biggest day can't be more than 40% of your total, uh, your gross P and L.
Yeah, I believe Apex, Top Step got something similar too.
That's why I say you keep the numbers low, they can't deny you. You just got to
Yep.
get, yeah. It's not bigger plays. You got to get more capital. Because think about it, if you had 20 funded accounts, my guy, $50 per day, $100 per day, nothing. When compared to how you trade now and how you make money now, $100 ain't nothing.
And that's what I'm saying. If you get a payout for all them accounts, if you manage to do so,
Mm-hmm.
you know what I mean?
Yep. 20 accounts, you put five away for taxes, and you keep the profit on the other 15 accounts.
Hmm.
Yeah, there's ways around it. Shit, my computer not plugged up. About time for you to get a new laptop, my guy.
What I do like about this Top Step is that you can request 50% of your profit.
Yeah, I do. And then after what is it? Is it Top Step that after 30 days you can take out dailies?
I'm not for
Daily
sure on that
payout
one.
is it Top
Maybe
Step?
could be. I'm not for sure on that one. More
Yeah, I
more
think
than
it's
likely, yes.
yeah. After 30 green days or something like that, you can take out daily withdrawals. That'd be dope.
Shit, hell yeah. Yeah, especially on a good day. Oh, I gotta spend this right now. Let's go.
Like, oh look, quick withdrawal, $200. It's gonna be a nice lunch.
Get
Put some
some new,
gas in the car.
go grab some, get you some new kicks.
Tell you, bro. Just more capital. I look at it as bills like damn, I just made 177 per account, five accounts. I just paid both my car note.
Yeah,
I would withdraw that shit so fast, boom, withdraw. Car note paid for the month.
it's a good feeling.
Oh yeah. Once you start having those days like that where it's like, okay, boom, car note's paid. Oh shit, rent paid today. Boom. All right, what are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do here? So we're going for 22 finally. 4 points away. 22. Watch us have a vicious pullback. Nah, we're gonna go. We're gonna push. Come on. Give me 22. Oh. Oh.
What would Lou say? Lou would be like, I need all that. Come on, give it to me.
Give it to me.
He'd be like, I need all that.
Hey, loose
Yeah.
scalping is godly.
Oh yeah.
He's godly with his scalping.
He was wild, huh?
Yeah, bro. He's a computer. I swear.
Damn near, bro. For real. He be messing with the Malgos.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be paying though.
Mm-hmm.
You guys, you put one of those on a funded account, let it do its thing,
It's over.
set it and forget it. I'll look at you in 30 days.
Yeah, look at it in 30 days, huh?
Oh shit, I'm up $125,000. Imagine. You ever said that paper trade and forgot about it, and then you go to look at it a few weeks later, and it's up exponentially? My boy had like the gold paper trade, and he forgot about. Actually, it was up like $250,000.
Dang.
What's the fuck?
Yeah, it was
You serious?
you could he paper trades on MT4,
Yeah.
and he forgot that he was in gold.
That's that Q Banks money right there.
And the Q Banks.
That's a lot of chicken
Cuban.
money.
But anytime dude got an interview, I'll watch it.
You see his new vlog,
Uh
behind the charts or beyond the charts or some shit like that.
Hook me up with the link.
I'll put it in there. He's got like a new thing now. It's called Beyond the Charts.
I think I heard of it, bro. I never seen it, but I've heard of that. Something like that.
It ain't nothing crazy.
Bro, if you really think about it, you know who really opened my eyes, bro? I'm gonna be honest with you. You seen that NB trader? NBB trader?
Uh.
His name is Omar.
Oh, I think I know who you're talking about.
He's
He got like
he's
curly
a
hair.
nah, he don't he's I think I wanna say like he's from the UK for sure. He's from the UK, bro. He's a smart motherfucker, bro. But the first interview that he had was kind of where like he opened my eyes. The second interview that he had recent with that one was Riz of what is it, Wisdom of Trade or something like that with
Oh,
Trade
You
What's
talking
his name?
about Words of Wisdom
Words
podcast?
of Wisdom, yeah. With all right, so if you go look at his first interview, bro, it's pretty long, but just listen to his what he's saying, bro. He's talking about like the algorithm or how retail traders are still like just trading patterns, like essentially that's all you're doing, you're trading patterns. But if you look at certain things like at a specific hour, like at 9:30 open New York time, bro, there's something that always happens, bro. It's something that always happens at 9:30, bro. As soon as 9:30 opens, there's either some volatile move or some specific thing that allows you to look at a trade or find an entry for a trade. So it's always that's what he said. There's like you pay when ICT tells you pay attention when it says it's time and price. ICT beats around the bush too much, right? Because he likes to talk a lot, but essentially, if you start reading between the lines and you start understanding what he's really saying, you just weed out the bullshit and stay to the important stuff. That's what I was saying. When I told, I think I don't remember who I was talking to, but I told him we're essentially we're
Oh,
pullback traders.
You talking about NBB trader?
Yeah, MBB trader.
Yeah, yo, that dude is
He said
smart.
it, bro. He said if you're a trader, he's like, all you gotta do is realize that you're a pullback trader. That you're looking for a good pullback to enter a trade and capitalize on that pullback. You don't need to look for a anything else but a pullback. And then you start realizing how the market moves. You got the power of three. If you can learn the power of three from ICT and you combine that with a pullback, like as far as an entry, you'll understand. Like you'll see the market really clear, but you don't even start looking at a lot. You just want to look at what's really happening at that time. Like if you're looking at this in this area right here, or like right here, there was consolidation. We have a fake out because he faked us out thinking we're going to the top. It came back down. Here's the entry right here. It's a pullback from this big push, pullback, and then a push to the top. That's what it is, bro. It just doesn't look like it because it's not as beautiful as you would like it to seem, but that's essentially what it is. We got market opens, consolidate. So it's accumulating, right? We have an expansion, or the expansion is a fake out
Yeah,
move
just got a
because
candle.
it makes us think that we're going to the top, right? And what it does is so it induces traders to buy. Next thing you know, it pulls back all the way down, removing these lows here, gives us a perfect entry on the 50% of the gap, 50% of the gap. And then where we went to the top, but we sky high.
That's your best
This was
entry.
That's a pullback right there. Yeah, that was the best entry
50%.
with look at the risk management, bro. Look at the risk management, bro.
That
Like if you want
50%. Crazy.
learn if you understand it and you practice that every day, bro. Every day you go back in the market. You already seen it happen, right? On hindsight, it's like it happens. It's beautiful seeing it, but if you look at it every day, you go back to the end of the day. You're like, you know what? Let me see what happened today. Let me see what I can see that is different that I have not noticed yet. Then you start realizing the power of three is accumulation,
Inflation distribution.
distribution.
AMD.
Uh, no, it's
Accumulation,
accumulation,
manipulation, distribution.
manipulation, distribution. We got accumulation,
Which is your job.
manipulation, right? Where the market manipulates people into thinking that they were buying and then we're selling, and then distributes to the top.
Damn, you hit TP, bro. Fuck.
Bro, it's beautiful. You feel me? It's beautiful. You once you understand that, you don't need nothing else, bro. Just practice your trade, and that's what I've been doing this whole time.
Oh, yeah.
Just that. I have not. I don't look for any other type of entries. I either look for order block or fair value. Order block or fair value. That's the only two things that I use for my entries. Like as far as what I want to see. Here's a fair value, and then
Take it to
I
liquidity.
think I think right here, right here was the order block. Same thing though, nothing different. We just pull. You have a low, high, low, right here, right? Fake out, come back up here, break structure, pull back down into what is it? Let's see.
So
One
to find
minute.
that right time frame.
Yeah, as long
Yeah,
as
sometimes
because
it's
that
ugly on the 5 minute, but if you drop to the 2 minute, it looks pretty.
right, it looks clear, it looks better. So we
Yeah.
got that order block left here, pull back right into it, push all the way to the top. Right? Same shit. Like it doesn't change, bro. It's the same thing here. Look, same thing here. I had told you guys. Boom. We have that accumulation. That I guess you want to say. I call this an expansion. I won't say that there's any manipulation here, but it's an expansion. We swept. We accumulated around. This is where I say the manipulation happened here because it's ranging, and then he's thinking people, all right, so we're gonna buy, and then they're like, no, we're gonna sell, and he ends up tapping in, and then you just wait a little bit, and what happens? Look, it pushes up all the way to what was supposed to be target. At the end of the day, it's just if you could find that during live hours, it's over, bro. It's over. You just gotta master it, or you just gotta see it enough times so you can clearly see it without no anything else. You know, without it's just
Yo,
price action, bro.
the market went crazy. I just logged in on my I just did the remote desktop on my system at the crib. God damn.
Yo,
Yo.
let me see them algos.
Yo, you know what's so crazy? So only one of my algos went off, and it took a $200 win. That was it.
Oh,
So the other ones, I guess the conditions weren't met.
right. Yeah,
So,
yeah.
but on my manual shit, I would have been. Oh my god. Oh my god.
And
That shit.
I think we just finished clearing that imbalance that Mike was talking about not too long ago.
Yeah, it's just beautiful, man. Big bucks. Big bucks. My shit on my manual trades, there was
we've
three
been
potential
clearing
trades for
balance.
me to hold for some like big winners.
Yeah, I was talking about that 4 hour imbalance we had from January 24th?
Or December 18th?
Nah, January the 24th.
The original drop on the
Oh, okay,
The
okay,
one
okay.
that fair value gap that we kept
Oh, yeah,
rejecting,
yeah,
we finally just ripped through it. Now we're back to those highs.
yeah. That's last Friday, 2 Fridays ago.
Yep.
Oh, let me see something too.
That was that crazy drop
3
day plus
Fridays
the
ago.
gap down. But yeah, we kept rejecting that fair value gap, the 50%
Yeah,
of it.
that's wild, bro.
Oh shit, I had the account set wrong. Okay, actually, 3 of the algos all went. So one of them's up 200, one of them's up 900, the other one's up 900.
Ooh,
Damn, boy.
nice.
We gotta see how we can get a hold of these algos.
Yeah.
Are you
Yeah,
gonna put them?
man.
Are you gonna put them for sale down the line or what?
At some point, yeah, I'm trying to test and make sure everything is all good before I
Before
release
you
them. Because
put
the
them
thing
on
is,
the market,
I've
huh?
been I'm literally not even gonna sell them. It's just gonna be just for a couple people, just for people in the group. I've been working on this for like a year and a half, 2 years.
Damn.
Because there's really no point of like selling it when
Right. Yeah,
it's
you
literally
got
it's literally just it's what we talk about. It's just doing it in an algorithm setting.
right. That's crazy, bro.
And just
So
look,
you must have improved a
22,050.
lot, bro, for it to be making damn near $1,000 per algo. Like, damn.
when I tell you to go get on the airplane to Miami, just do it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Got you, dog.
Yeah.
Just head to the airport.
Because look, like it's pretty much like this. Like you can make an algo for your shit, Martin. Like, okay, you see how you have. Look at hold on. Is this the right screen? Hold on. Let me see if I'm on the right one. Okay, I'm on yours. I'm on Zoom. I'm on yours. And it's mad loud where I am. So let me know if y'all can hear me or not. But
But
where is for this right here? Where would the entry have been
for what?
for this trade? I see you have like this little this green block on the screen. Where
All right,
where would the entry have been?
All right, if we're looking at, let me see, the
The 50% that you were talking about earlier. What number does
right,
it fall?
yeah, it'll be 21,841.
Okay. Can you define that entry?
Can I define it?
Can you define it? Can you say that entry would have happened if 1, 2, and 3 happened?
Oh, it was a 50% of the fair value gap manipulation.
Right. So
that's what you were talking about earlier.
okay, all right. So I was
your rules.
All right. So what I was looking at, right? What I was looking at was because I told Sergio about this before it even happened. The thing is that I missed out on the first because of the manipulation. So I was telling them about the power of three right now. The power of three was accumulation. So we got accumulation here. We got manipulation in these areas. We
Mm-hmm.
think we make people think that we're gonna buy, then we pull back down to liquidate, price comes right to the 50%, and entry triggers. We go straight for distribution, and that's
Okay.
where we end up.
So perfect.
Distribution.
So you just defined the entry. If you
Right.
can define the entry, if you can define what the stop loss would be, and you can define what your profit taking system is, then you can literally create an algorithm. All the algorithm is like, that's why, like, when I mention it to some people, like a trader in an algo or something, they think it's some like crazy like some crazy thing, like some expensive. It's really not. All it's saying is if you have an order entry tool that you can say, my entry is this. When these conditions are met, when XYZ condition is met, take the trade, enter trade long, enter trade short, place stop loss under 5 candles back wick, place a target at, wherever. That's all it is. Now, what makes the algo really work is if you can be very clear on your entry criteria and be clear on your exit criteria. That is all it is. So if you are a good trader and you can read the market and you're very disciplined with how you do it, if you're disciplined with how you do it, you can literally put it in an algorithm. And all an algorithm is just automating what you normally would do. And it just takes the emotion out of it. Like, say you see a trade where you're like, I would go long here, but you're nervous about it because whatever reason you're nervous, all the algorithm or the automation tool is going to do is just going to take the trade for you. It's going to say it's going to say these conditions are met for your trade. Enter, order filled. That's all it cares about. Are the conditions met? Yes. Order filled. Stop here. Target here. That is it. That's all. That's literally all it is. So anything can be automated. You know what I mean?
That's crazy.
Like right now, you said, I know you say sometimes you're testing stuff on like in the demo, and you normally would take this trade, but if it's not this account, or I forgot exactly what you said, but literally all the automation tool does or algorithm does, it literally just enters the trade for you. You set the criteria. Like if you know the type of style trader you are, you say enter long here or enter short here, put a target here, put a stop here, break even at this spot, trail here. That's literally all it is. And when you don't, when you let it do its thing, you see amazing results. But what that also means is you have to also take the losses that come with it. So it's not all green. It just so happened that the algos I'm running, they have been like, they have had a very good 2025, but it can also get clapped and blown a cap. You know what I mean?
Right.
So like if you're like hey, I want to enter a trade, but my stop loss is so far away, like stop losses will get hit. It's all about the position sizing. Like can you manage drawdown? Like it's just all those type of shit. That's literally all it is. So it's really nothing special. I appreciate y'all thinking it's special, but I swear to God, it really isn't.
Man, that's crazy. I still think the algos are crazy because as far as automating it, don't you gotta know like coding and stuff, like how to code the thing or how?
And that's the special part. That right there is the special part. Once you can code it, that right there. So that's why it's like if you're a good trader, like the trading part is like trading is easy itself. Trading itself is easy. It's everything else that's difficult. It's the risk management is difficult. It's the psychology part is difficult. It's everything else. It's holding a trade if that's what you want to do. It's taking profit if that's what you're supposed to do. Those are the difficult parts, right? Like over leveraging is we can easily do that. Like, but it's difficult to not do that sometimes. That's why motherfuckers blow accounts. Like, because we be over leveraging. Can y'all answer this question? Have y'all ever been disciplined and blown an account?
Hell no. I mean,
you see what I'm saying? you see what I'm saying? like that's. I've never been. I personally have never been. I've never disciplinedly blown an account.
Right.
every time I blew an account, it was because I did some dumbass shit.
Exactly.
And that's the hard part. That right there is the hard part. So that's why, like, anybody could look at a chart today and at some point could have been like, I'm entering long. And like longs won today, some shorts won today. You know, the people that lost today were the people that kept shorting and reshorting and dollar just keep shorting and not taking your stop. And now that shit, now you down what? We went from what 800 to now you down 100 points, but you in 15 minis. You know what I'm saying? Like that's the motherfuckers that got clapped today.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, that's what I gotta say. But yeah, I'm not even in front of it. I'm at a screen, but that's really what it is, bro.
That's some game, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's some game for real. Because, like, I mean, I still think the algos are like some special stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
But you simplify things a little bit more. You know.
Yeah.
So that's what's up.
Sure.
Real.
For sure. But I mean, and I'm speaking on a retail level. Like on a retail level, that's what my automation and algorithm is. Like in terms of the algorithm that ICT talks about, and I don't know. It's just probably it's different rules.
It exists to a certain point. I know for sure because there's actually documents, bro. That MDB trader pulls them out, and I actually went to search for them too, and I found the same documents where it's a Swiss bank. It says that at specific time frames, the algorithm helps deliver price from one bank to another. You know,
right? And
like,
and that's what I'm saying. They have this specific rules. They literally have programmed their rules into their automation, into their algorithm.
Yeah,
they've done that. Like these markets, bro. Like 85 to 90% of these markets the market is moving computer based.
Yeah,
it's computer based. Like if you think about it, like if you think about the amount of transactions that okay, the Nasdaq in the first 5-minute candle, NQ in the first 5-minute candle, typically on average, 40,000 contracts traded in the first minute. Right? There's between, I don't know how many hours are on the trading day. And again, that's just Nasdaq futures. We have so many other indices futures. We have other commodities. We have bond markets. We have a bunch of metals. We have oils. We have energy. We have all this shit. We have all these different things. That's futures, right? Then we have the euro market. We have forex, right? We have interest rates. We have all that shit. We have options. We have futures options. We have stocks. Bro, all that shit is not being moved by. That's not manual shit.
Yeah,
that's all computers. So all they do, everybody just has a rule-based system. The ones that's doing it right. Because look, even big hedge funds can blow up. Why do they blow up? Because they fuck up with the risk management.
Order filled.
You know what I'm saying? That's really what it is, and that's what I've learned myself. So to keep the risk small, like you can take mad L's and be good. So because for me, it really isn't even about. For all of us, because we're all really good traders. It's really not about strategy anymore. It's not. We know how this market moves. We see it every day. We got the screen time. It's not about the strategy anymore.
Order filled.
Hey, you're right.
Yeah, you sure right, bro. You sure right. Hey, you seen that high frequency trading, bro?
Yeah.
I seen that. I seen that shit, bro. I said it looks. When I started seeing, I seen it like a while back. I haven't seen it recently, but I seen somebody doing that. Like, I thought they were just bullshitting. Like, just pressing buys, sells, buy, sells. But they have like this specific, bro. Yeah, and then they close, and then they go in profit hardcore, and they just start closing.
That's what a lot of the hedge funds do. Like y'all know
the hedge funds,
y'all know what the medallion fund is?
The who?
Medallion fund?
No.
So the medallion fund is run by, well, rest in peace to the GOAT, Jim Simons. Y'all know Jim Simons?
No.
So Jim Simons is if y'all actually right now, pull him up right now. Go new tab, search Jim Simons. He died last year, but search Jim Simons. Y'all gonna see some shit.
Search them all.
Yeah, search him right now. Yep, right on the screen that you got right now.
What's his
It's
name?
on YouTube. Jim Simons.
Oh,
So this man, he ran the Medallion Fund, right? It's a hedge fund.
yeah.
It's one of their funds. And this man had the name of his company is Renaissance Rentech. That's the name of his company, Rentech, and they do like systematic like trade. They just running algos all day. And if you look at their 30-year return rate, they've returned 66%. They've returned about over 60%. I think if I'm remembering correctly, over 60% compound and annual growth over the past 30 years, bro. So basically, like,
he was a billionaire, bro.
yeah, his fund is the greatest. Like if you ever hear, because everyone always, it's kind of taboo. Day trading is taboo in like the finance world, right?
Yeah.
So if you look at if you watch any interviews or anything like that with Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, people have always asked questions. What do they think about day trading and whatnot? And they always they give a kind of a negative remark on it. But then when someone asks them about Jim Simons, they're like, "Oh no, he's smart. He's smart. He's different. He's different." They always talk about him in a different light because he was basically one of the greatest day traders, and they look at him in a different light because of how he runs it. He runs it with his algos, high frequency trading. He's in and out of positions in like milliseconds. He'll put and they trading everything. They traded futures, stocks, bond, everything that you can think of that can be traded, they are trading. And that's what I'm trying to get to a point like that, and everything automated. Like look them up whenever you get a chance. Like, for real.
That's crazy. Yeah, man. These guys they had to see. I feel like mad respect for these guys because they had to transition from. You remember how trading was a point based back then, like it was over the phone.
Yep.
You had to call in to place a trade, and then when they had to change it from that into a computer based.
Yep.
And they started with these right here, the bars. This is what ICT teaches as far as that power of three. Like right here.
Yeah.
Right here, the open.
It's the same. It's really the same thing as the regular candles. It's just displayed differently.
It's displayed different. Yeah, you're sure right.
Yep.
Yeah, it just shows this line, the open, how he came back down, push up, came and closed here.
Yep.
And then it just boom, taps, goes. But dang, that's crazy, bro. Yeah, there's some game building.
But yeah, there's a whole bunch of guys like that. That's big time in the space. Like, and he died last year, but the fund is still going. And they're not taking on any more investors, because these type of people, when they make trades and whatnot, their positions actually move the market.
Yeah, they're big traders.
Big traders.
They're what we call whales, right?
Let me say they can. Like, they have the ability to move the market, but a lot of times what they do is their position sizing. They look at volume and they try to go unnoticed, right? And they can do a big move. If they do a big position, it can make a big move in the market. But for the most part, they're just trying to lay low. They're trying to like be in and out without being seen.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's really what it is. I mean, there's a whole bunch of dudes like that. But yeah, man, it's a good space to be in, man. I'm happy that we all here and we all killing it. So it's dope.
Hey, yo.
It'd be nice, if we all, us as well, we start tapping into those algos and try to put our strategies in there and give it a go, or start
Hell yeah,
practicing.
hell yeah,
Now, if I'm gonna get algo, I'm gonna need your strategy, bro. I'll buy. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it from you and be like, hey, just make sure you're set up for your boy right quick. Like
yeah,
I don't if because if I'm gonna trade, I'd just rather trade myself. Like
right,
I don't wanna like mess with the algo and try to perfect like make it a perfection. I want it to be already
Well,
set. If
even
we're gonna spend the money, I want
again,
it to
like
be
Luke
set.
said earlier, fam, like when you see something in the market, okay, it's go time. You turn that algo on, and they'll do it for you, and they'll take the emotions out of the market.
exactly.
Right? Yeah. Of course. Yeah. But I don't want to like set it up myself. I'm not into
I
that.
see what you're saying. Yeah, I see what
That's
you're
all that coding shit.
Yeah,
Like I don't get
that's
as
the
far as
beauty of
that.
it. That's the
I don't
beauty.
get. Yeah, I don't get too far in there.
Hmm.
But now if I'm gonna like catch a trade, I gotta perfect it with my eyes first, I guess, or at least
Yeah,
get good at it enough to where like you know, uh, we can beat the odds.
yep. And that's what it is. You gotta once your strategy is down pat and you have the if you can clearly uh articulate if you can clearly articulate the criteria, then it's it's a beautiful thing.
Yeah,
This
Sergio,
market is crazy today.
Yeah.
God damn.
we saw the what?
Say why not?
The pattern.
Oh no, yeah, we had a balls pattern. We went from
Oh
soft
my
to
God.
hard, and then went to splurge, move stop loss to break even.
That I
That's
don't know
mad
where you
funny.
got that from. I don't know where you got that mean thing.
The
That's
3 year old
crazy.
trader. Oh,
Yeah. Here you're gonna show you the style of a 14-year-old trader or whatever trader. He's like, first I saw the balls pattern, then we were on solve, and then we went all the way with the
hey,
it's wild.
have you seen his history? You know how he switches tabs?
Nah.
Look at his internet history, and it's his internet history.
Let's see, hold on. You posted it already?
Yeah, it's on the channel.
Alright.
It should be on the.
I made $14,000 today as a 3-year-old trader. Look at that.
Oh, wait.
Analysis up.
Hold on.
Like it up. Like it up. No, this is how I made $14,000 today as a 3-year-old trader.
Johnny Trades, Cream Pie, Free P videos, TJR blasting boogies, Simpsons P, Riley Reed Cream Pie. What the fuck? This guy right here.
Yo, wait, what?
Steph Trades gawking TJR.
Yo,
It's
what's
the
that from?
it's from the shorts that a boy posted, Sergio posted, right? That 3-year-old trader. And then when he
That's
puts
mad funny.
his charts, his history like starts from his history, and you can press pause on there and you see what he's been searching for.
That's funny as hell.
What is it? Johnny trade screen pie?
Yeah, Johnny Trade. What the fuck?
No, this is I made $14,000 today as a 3-year-old trader.
That's wild, bro.
Basically, to make an analysis, I noticed the balls pattern. We were on stop, but right when we got that erection, I instantly entered hit take profit 1, move stop to break even, and splurge to take profit 2 and 3. I'm putting y'all on some sauce, so like it up. Like it up.
Well, tomorrow will be another day, y'all. You think tomorrow will be bullish, y'all? I think tomorrow's correction day. I don't know.
We could push. We could break this at some point today, and just uh end up somewhat higher, and then have a pullback tomorrow, or we can do the opposite. Just tonight, overnight, just have the pullback, and just, have or maybe have like a little fake out, in the morning,
Mm.
kind of like we
Yeah.
did last Friday.
Yeah.
We pushed up at market open, like midway through the session, and then for the rest of the session we dumped, and then lower that day, I think.
Well, see what happens, man. Hopefully it's a good day tomorrow.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna hop off, y'all. Hey, Sergio, did you ever figure out how to create shorts? Cause
Oh,
I'm trying hardly enough to
I know how to make those shorts, man.
but like from the lives.
Yeah, yeah. All we gotta do is so this is we gotta what we gotta do. We gotta chop, like, let's say, one of our lives into the most important things, or at least into like 4 pieces. That way we feed it to the AI, because the file is too big. But once we chop it into like 4 pieces, we can feed it one by each piece. You feel me? And then
Yeah.
once we do that, it will automatically create the shorts for us with uh the subtitles underneath it. Whatever we say, it'll be as subtitles, and then we can either change it to like we can change the background to like maybe like, I don't know, something that's eye appealing, or we can leave it as it is.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
Yeah, that sounds good. Yes, I'm trying to see if we can cut some shorts. I guess down the line too, you know. How many lives have we done so far?
I think we today is day 9, day 8,
No, this is I made
Okay.
day
Maybe
9.
maybe
Today is day
maybe
9. So
maybe we could get someone else to share their screen
we
next
should.
live and stuff.
Yeah, I can share it tomorrow, or actually I'm sharing it right now. But,
Well, no. But I mean, like someone else, like if they want to share like
oh,
their
for sure.
input
Yeah,
and
yeah.
see what they're looking at.
Everybody's welcome to. It's always open.
Yeah, that'd be great if everybody participates. You know,
Yeah,
I know. You guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Now we got to do is just catch it at the time, like catch it when it's happening. You know,
yeah,
like we were good right here. You saw that, bro. We were really good, but then we pushed up. I got fear of missing out. I capitalized on this area. But if I would have just waited a little bit, seen this push. By the time we looked at it, it was like somewhere over here.
yeah. Well, like I
But
was telling you, when we had that bounce, it happened so quick. Because for even that 1 minute candle, that was like 17, 15, 17 points on that 1 minute for the bounce.
yeah.
So regardless, it would have been hard to catch it. I'm not saying it's impossible, but we would have to lower our contract sizing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But regardless, it's a good day. Good day. And when we seen that, like, as you said.
Oh shit! All
It
right,
was a
y'all. I
good
think
price action day. You just
I'm
had to be patient.
Was that
yeah.
Yeah, that's all it was. You just have to be patient.
Patience, yeah, bro.
Yeah, I need to work on that.
You just
Yeah.
gotta swap through. You just gotta swap through time frame.
And he doesn't look, now that you look at it, it doesn't even look that bad. Where you're like, you at first we were wondering like, oh, what is Nasdaq doing? What is it really trying to do? But when you look at it,
Exactly.
it doesn't look that bad. It actually looks pretty
Yeah, we
pretty
closed above
neat.
London High, created fair value gap. Even if you
Yeah,
took the entry at fair value gap, you were only going to be down what 15, 20 points, maybe at max.
yeah,
It's not much on a smaller position side. Now, if you're heavy, obviously, yeah.
yeah. You're
But
right.
it rebounded quickly.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you sure right, man. He pushed up nice, man. He pushed up real nice from here. Look, you see, he pull back on his gap too. Pull back on this gap too. Hopefully, keep it going. Well, all right. I think I am gonna hop off now.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day as well.
Yeah, I'm looking for one more smaller play just to hit that 200, but I only need like $17. So
Hey, let's go.
yeah, find a little bullshit play somewhere.
Oh, yeah.